All right, example 1 involves fractions with zeros in them. And if you take a look at the first one here, evaluate 4 minus 2 minus 2 over 13. If we just do a quick evaluation on top, 4 minus 2 minus 2 is 0. Okay, and that's our first instance of 0 in a fraction.
It equals undefined.
Parker, if you know the answer, that's helpful. If you don't know the answer, that's not helpful. Either way, screaming it out loud is not helpful. All right? If you have 0 in a fraction that's being divided by a number that is not 0, the answer is 0. All right, so if 0 is on the top divided by any other number other than 0, the answer is 0. Do not leave an answer 0 over 13 or 0 over 5 or 0 over negative 3. Write 0 so I know that you know the answer is 0. Don't leave it in fraction form. Evaluate it out. That's why you said that, but yeah, it's not. Okay, example 2. Or still example 1, part 2. 13 over 4 minus 2 minus 2 is 13 over 0. Notice the difference between this one that equals 0 and this one that is undefined.
Either way, you're dividing by 0, though.
You have nothing and cut it into 13 parts, you get nothing. You have 13 things, cut it into nothing parts, that's not possible. Okay, that's what division is. The bottom number is a divider. It's saying, I'm telling you how many parts to put something into. If you have 13 things, you can't break them into 0 parts. All right? Number that is not 0 divided by 0 is undefined. That's the exact word I want to have written on your paper, undefined. And finally, the bottom one here, notice if we do the top, 6 plus 2 minus 8 equals 0. 4 minus 1 minus 3 equals 0. This is 0 divided by 0. This is indeterminate. Okay, indeterminate means it may equal something, but there's no way to determine what it equals. We did 0 divided by 0 in calculus this morning, 3 different problems. One of them came out to 1/2, another one came out to negative 1/4, and the third one came out to 192.
I like that number.
Okay? It's indeterminate until you get to calculus, then there's ways to determine it. We aren't going to do calculus in Algebra 1 because it's too advanced for you guys. But again, just know that the words I'm looking for, 0 on top divided by any other number equals 0. Any number divided by 0 is undefined. 0 divided by itself is indeterminate. Those are the words I'm looking for the ones that don't have a numerical answer.